Hello, this is Eric at the Prince George Ford Pre-Owned Supercenter, and we're taking a look at the 2018 Ford F-350 in a Lariat trim and powered by a 6.7-liter Power-Stroke Turbo Diesel V8, providing you with plenty of power for towing, hauling, and 4x4ing, and coming with a bull bar up front with a light bar installed inside, a sizable lift. As you can see, it's quite a bit taller, and some work rims with some big old Discoverer tires, running boards down below, and pocket style fender flares on the wheel wells. You've got some nice exterior accessories on this truck and modifications, of course, but let's take a look inside. And now looking at the back, where you have spacious seating for three with a nice full leather interior. In the center you have fold out armrests with two cup holders, as well as two more cup holders right there with a 12 volt, two USBs, a 110 volt, and heated rear seats. So your back passengers are pretty well equipped in this truck, and then the seats can be lifted up and out of the way to accommodate any other cargo, as well as reveal your lockable folding storage box underneath, because you can lock the hinge here, and then you can have a secure storage place in your truck. Now looking at the front, this vehicle does use a proximity key and is a push to start, so no need to fiddle around. Just put the key in your pocket or purse and you're good to go. And looking in, you have power windows, power mirrors, and power locks, power telescoping mirrors, and power folding, I believe. And then you have three memory buttons for your power adjustable driver's seat, steering wheel, mirrors, and also the audio levels in your center infotainment screen. So now sitting in the truck with it running, it does also have a remote start, so no need to go outside on those cold mornings to warm up your truck. But then looking at the dash here, you can see that it's sitting at 35,469 kilometers. Moving down to the steering wheel, on the right hand side you have your hands-free phone and radio controls, and on the left hand side you have your cruise control buttons, as well as your controls for your center screen, where you can cycle through things such as your trip and fuel, so your trip 1 and 2, fuel economy, fuel history, compass, and your gauge view, so your turbo and transmission temperature, tire pressures, digital speedometer, diesel exhaust, engine info, and transmission temperature. And you can also look at your towing status and information, your off-road status, and settings for some features around your truck. And then you do also have your My View, where you can put any of those subcategories for ease of access. But then moving on to your center, your infotainment screen, which is radio, Sirius, CD, and Bluetooth, I believe. Yep. And then you have your digital climate controls with dual climate and a heated steering wheel, so you can keep your hands warm. Your Bluetooth phone controls, your navigation screen, so you're hopefully not going to get lost on your travels, whatever apps you may have installed, and then settings for your screen and some other features around your truck. But then shifting into reverse, you do also have a backup camera with rear sensors that will alert you if you're about to hit anything, so hopefully you can avoid that. And then you can also zoom in on where your hitch should be if you want to have an easier time hooking up a trailer or something. Moving down from that, you have your physical media controls and physical climate controls here, with heated and air-conditioned front seats, so you can stay comfortable no matter the weather. To the left of that, you have your 4x4 controls and trailer brake. Also, once again, this is a push to start. And to the right, you have a 12 volt and 110 volt power outlet. Then down here, you have this compartment, which opens to reveal two USBs and some space for your stuff. So plenty of opportunities to plug in your devices. And then you have two cup holders that can be turned into four, or if you just want to keep some storage space here. One thing I forgot, you do also have select shift here on your main shifter and your tow haul button, so you can manually shift through your gears. But then moving on to your center compartment slash armrest here, which has a removable tray, and also has another 12 volt power outlet inside, as well as a ton of space for all of your stuff, so that's always nice as well. But then finally looking back, you do also have a power sliding rear window, if that's something you're interested in. But that should cover our look at the interior. So now if you are interested, feel free to give us a call at 250-563-8111, or just come on down to the dealership and have a look for yourself, and have a nice day.